What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. It's going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Going to take a look at the DXY. It's following our breakout that we're looking for. So currently we're seeing at 25.8K. We're down 0.04 on the day. See market cap of 501 B. 24-hour volume 12.66 billion. So what we're looking for is potentially an ending diagonal. So we came down in A, B, C into a 1, pushed up in a 2, starting to get rejected a little bit here by this channel. So you would look to come down in a 3, 4, 5, and the most important thing to watch is our target zone in between 23.4 and 24.7K, which I think is the likely zone that we start to see a reversal, fake down from this falling wedge, and then start to see a breakout back to the upside, see a bear trap. Taking a look at the daily chart, as you can see, we're retesting this major support at about 25K. We have this beautiful inverse head and shoulders. Here would be your left shoulder. Here's your head. Here's the right shoulder, and right up here would be the neckline, which I think there's a high likelihood we see a bounce off of, even if we break a little bit below it and see continuation to the upside. Basically get back above the weekly EMAs. I think we're just barely holding them right now. Wait for the 20. Yeah, we're just underneath the 20. So as I mentioned, I think we may break a little bit below them, but eventually get back above them and see continuation up to the upside towards 40K. Now the DXY is doing exactly what we were looking for. We were looking for one more lower low. If you watched the last BTC video, we saw that, and now we're starting to push up. So I do think there's a high likelihood we're going to start to push up to 105, and that's when you'll see the price of BTC continue to come down. Of course, we can still drop lower into the zone, but it does look like the DXY is starting to make its move up in our wave 5. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at. Just a quick little update. Look for the wave 3 for BTC. If it were to break down really impulsively, then we could look for an impulsive wave count. But as you can see, this is a 3-wave move, which is more typical of an ending diagonal. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Currently, we're in 4 trades right now. You can have a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis if you sign up to Bitget or Bybit. I do the majority of my trading here on Bitget, up to 8K in bonuses. Takes 2 minutes to sign up. Make your first deposit, email me or sign up email. 30-day free trial to my signals, analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, as well as Forex signals and analysis. Otherwise, it's $10 a month if you want direct access. We also have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All links are in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.